Dear student, today we are going to discuss about some example of geometric progression. So concentrate your mind on the board. Your first question is find the fifth term of the series. एक सीरीज है, one series is 4 plus 12 plus 36. So find the value of the fifth term of this series. First we see that the series in GP या AP. Then second term divided first term. Your second term is 12, first term is 4. 12 divided 4 equal to 3. Third term divided second term, 36 divided 12 equal to 3t. Comma ratio r equal to 3. This means this ratio, this series in GP. First term of GP is a equal to j4 and comma ratio is r. We know that any term of GP equal to Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1. Then put the value of first term and comma ratio, and then we can calculate the value of the fifth term of that series. So T5 equal to your first term is 4 and comma ratio is equal to 3 and n is equal to fifth. N equal to fifth. Then T5 equal to 4 multiplied 3 के power 5 minus 1 equal to 4 multiplied 3 के power 4 equal to 4 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3 multiplied 3. 3 power 4 means 3 multiplied 4 times. Then we calculate this value. Then we get this value will be 324. Then fifth term of this series will be what? 324. Your second question is, if a plus 1, a plus 3 are in GP, then find a. 3 term are in GP, then we have to calculate the value of a. Here जो है a plus 1, a plus 3 are in GP. We know from definition we know that GP are that series means ratio of second term divided first term, ratio of third term divided your second term will be equal. Then put the value of your first term is a and second term is a plus 1 and third term is a plus 3. Then जो है second term divided first term, a plus 1 divided 1 equal to a plus 3 divided 3. This is third term divided second term. Then we multiply, cross multiplied this, and then we find a plus 1 multiplied a plus 1 equal to a plus 3. Then a plus 1 multiplied means a plus 1 का whole square equal to a multiplied a square plus 3a. Then we find that a square plus 1 plus 2a. How this come? We know that a plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We apply this formula in this. Then we find that a square plus 1 plus 2a equal to a square plus 3a. From this we find that keep this quantity this side. Then we find that a square plus 1 plus 2 minus a square minus 3a. A square will be cancelled because both are same value, and 2a minus 3a means जो है 1 minus a equal to 0. This means a equal to 1. Then we find the value of a will be जो है a equal to 1. Your third question is write the geometric mean of 2 and 8. Your third question is write the geometric mean of 2 and 8. We given जो है two quantity 2 and 8. Then we find the geometric mean. We know that if two terms are in GP, then formula of geometric mean will be AB. Your two quantity is given 2 and 8. Then we put the value a is equal to 2 and b is equal to n. Then we find that root 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 equal to 2 multiplied 4 equal to 4. This means we find that geometric mean of two quantity 2 and 8 will be जो है 4.